Hello students, welcome to Sreenath. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is food. Where does it comes from? It is from CBSE syllabus class 6 science subject. It is the first chapter in science subject from 6th class CBSE syllabus. Okay, that is food. Where does it comes from? We know what is food, but where does it is coming from? We are going to learn this chapter. In this chapter we have 4 topics. We will have an overview of all topics, and after that we will discuss each topic in detail. At the beginning we will see what are the 4 topics in this chapter, and after that we will discuss each topic in detail. Okay, let us join with us. At first we begin our overview. Okay, how many topics? The chapter name is food. Chapter name is food, F-O-O-D, food. Okay, it contains 4 topics. We will discuss 4 topics overview. After that we will discuss each topic in detail. The first topic is food variety. How many types of foods varieties are there? Then what is the second topic? The second topic is food materials and sources. What are the sources of food materials? Is animal sources or plant sources? That is the second topic. The third topic, plant parts and animal products as food. What are the animal products we are using as food, and what are the plant parts we are using as food? We are going to learn this. And the fourth topic, here in this textbook it is written as 1.5, but it is 1.4. It is the fourth topic. We know food, different types of foods, food sources. We eat food, but what animals will eat? What do animals food? What is the food of animals? We are going to learn about this also. So finally this chapter containing 4 topics. After that, keyword summary, that's it. So finally this chapter containing 4 topics. We will discuss each topic in detail now. Now start our discussion. That is the first topic, that is food variety. Food variety. I asked you one question. Tell me your favorite food. Comment below your favorite food. Okay, so how many favorite foods are there, or how many food varieties are there? Daily we will eat different types of foods. Okay, suppose here it is the table, name of the student or friend. Suppose if you are really interested, then fill this table, name of the friend or student. Take your friend or students or relatives, etc., and what food items they are eaten in a day. You have to fill this table. Okay, so basically we have different types of food varieties. At the morning we will eat some tiffins, afternoon we will have some other food items, rice items or wheat items. In the evening we will eat some others. In snacks we will eat some other varieties. So basically there are different food varieties are available in this present scenario. Okay, we will eat different types of foods. Okay, we will love different types of food. Basically we will like bakery items and fast food, like that. So many of us may like sweets, so many of us like biryani. So there are so many different delicious foods, different varieties of foods available, and so many of us like so many foods. So it is just an activity you can do. If you wish, you can do it. Name the student or the friend, and what are the foods he had or she had eaten in a day. Okay, next, what next is so what we have discussed now. There are so many varieties of food varieties. In food varieties there are so many foods, and we have some favorite foods also. But what the question is, where does it comes from? How these favorite foods are coming? Then you will say that these favorite foods are prepared by mother in kitchen, or in bakeries, or in any restaurants, or etc. So then again I ask you, how they are getting these food materials? Then these foods means, then what you will say? You will say that different delicious foods are prepared by mother in kitchen, or different delicious foods are prepared by by chefs in hotels or restaurants. How they are preparing? If I ask you that question, then you will say they use different ingredients to prepare delicious food. So for the preparation of different types of food, for the preparation of favorite foods, we need different ingredients. What we need? Different ingredients. We need different ingredients to make different foods, different delicious food, different our favorite foods. So in order to prepare food, we need ingredients. What are ingredients? The food materials which are required to prepare food or to cook food are called ingredients. The food materials which are required to prepare food are called food ingredients. Okay, so basically there are different types of foods, and to prepare different types of food, we need different types of ingredients. Okay, here it is the image of rice. How we will cook rice? How many ingredients are required to prepare rice? If you ask me that question, I will tell you, for the preparation of rice, we require only 2 ingredients. What are those ingredients? One is for rice, what are the ingredients? For one is raw rice, and what the other ingredient? That is water. Is it these 2 ingredients are sufficient to prepare rice? Yes. If you have any doubt about this, ask your mother. He will tell you that these 2 ingredients are sufficient to prepare the rice. But if you want to prepare biryani, you will require so many ingredients, many ingredients, especially spices. So in order to prepare food, we require ingredients. In order to prepare rice, we need only just 2 ingredients, but in order to prepare biryani, we will need so many ingredients. Okay, food, where does it comes from? I asked you one question, how you are getting your favorite foods? Then you told that my mother is preparing a favorite food. Then how your mother is preparing favorite food? You say that my mother is using several different types of ingredients to make different types of delicious foods. Okay, now I ask you some question. How your mother are getting these ingredients? How your mother getting all these ingredients? Then what is your answer? Your answer is nothing but what you will say. You will say my mother is getting my ingredients from market. Then I will ask you how your market is getting those ingredients. Then the persons in the market says that those ingredients are coming from different areas of the world, different regions of the world. All these are plant products or animal products. What are those? Plant products or animal products. So in order to prepare food, we need ingredients. Okay, in order to prepare food, we need ingredients. And how we are getting the ingredients? And those ingredients are, what are the source? What are the source of those ingredients? What is the source of those ingredients? The source of those ingredients are the plant source, or plants or animals. Okay, what are the source of those ingredients? It is either plants or either animals. We are getting ingredients from plants or animals. So we have completed the first topic. We are going to the second topic, that is food materials and sources. Okay, now food materials is nothing but the ingredients and their sources. How these ingredients are coming from? Basically, if you have seen this image, it is banana, mango, apple, pineapple. All these are the fruits, all these are the plants, all these are comes from plants. Okay, this is the doll, this also comes from plants. These are the eggs. Do you like eggs? Eating daily egg is a good habit. If you didn't have this habit, try it. These eggs are coming from hens. These are the animals. So these two are the plant source ingredients. These two comes from plants. Eggs comes from animals. So food materials and sources. Food materials is nothing but ingredients. What it is? Ingredients. In order to prepare food, we need so many ingredients. And how we are getting ingredients? We are getting ingredients from plants or animals. Example, fruits. We are getting fruits from plants. We are getting eggs from animals. We are getting milk from animals. We are getting vegetables from plants. Okay, in this way, here it is the food item idli. Here are the ingredients required to prepare idli. Those are rice, urad dal, salt, water. And here you have to fill up the source of those ingredients. For rice, it is from plant source. For urad dal, what it is source? It is also plant. So salt is from ocean, water is from it is nothing, you have to write any other source. Here chicken curry, how we are getting chicken is from animal. So in this way you have to fill this table. Here the food item, here the ingredients required to prepare that food item, here the source of that ingredient. Basically here rice is the ingredient, the source of the rice is the plant, so we are writing here plant. Here chicken is the ingredient, the source of the plant. How you are getting chicken? That is from animal, so it is the animal source. Okay, in this way you have to complete this table. Now what do we conclude from activity 3? Plants are the sources of food. What you have concluded? That plants. What are the sources of food? Means plants is the sources of food. Ingredients like grains. There are ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables and fruits. All these comes from plants. And animals provide. What animals provide us? Animals provide milk. Animals provide us milk and meat products like chicken, mutton, beef, and what? Eggs. Animals provide us eggs. These foods comes from animals. Basically cows, goats and buffaloes are some common animals which gives us milk. Okay, cows, goats and buffaloes, these animals gives us milk. Okay, milk and milk products like butter. Okay, butter, cream, cheese and curd are also used overall the world. Okay, we will use milk products very widely overall the world. So finally what we have done? Food. There are different types of food and how you are different types of food and how you are preparing different types of food, that is using ingredients. What are meant by ingredients? The materials used to prepare food are called ingredients. How you are getting the ingredients? You are getting ingredients from, what are the sources of your ingredients? You are getting your ingredients from plants and animals. Okay, what you are getting from plants? Vegetables, fruits, cereals, grains, etc. What you are getting from animals? Eggs, milk and milk products, mutton, chicken, etc. we are getting from animals. So you have to know from which animal which products we are getting. Basically milk is from cows, buffaloes, like that, and meat is from hens, goat, sheep, like that. Okay, at the same time what is the remaining? Milk, meat, chicken from hens. Okay, like that we are getting animal products. What are the plant products? We are getting fruits from different plants, vegetables from different plants, and cereals and wheat and rice from different plants. So this is about the ingredients and their sources. Now we are coming to the third topic. What it is? Third topic. What is the third topic? Plant parts and animal products as food. So we are taking ingredients as a food and those ingredients are having plant sources and animal sources. Then what are the animal products we are taking as food and what are the plant parts we are taking as food? Now here it is the plant. Okay, here is the plant. This part of the plants is called roots. What is called root system? Root. These are called leaves. This is called stem. What it is? This is called stem. Okay, this is called flower. And this is called fruit. There is a fruit. This is called fruits. Example, apple, it is a fruit. Okay, so finally what you have understood? Finally what we have understood, if there is a plant, it has different parts, that is roots, that is leaves. One part is leaves, another part is fruit, and another is stem, like that. Stem, like that, seeds like that. Okay, so plant has different parts, and different parts of plants we taken as eat, and animals and different animal products we taken as food. Okay, here in order to prepare a brinjal curry, what it is? Brinjal curry. One thing before brinjal curry, what are the ingredients required for brinjal curry? That is brinjal and chili as spice, chili, and oil from groundnut, mustard, soybean, and any other plant. Now these are the ingredients. These source are either plant source or animal source. Now we have to mention which part of the plant we are using as ingredient. Which part of the plant? Here brinjal. Brinjal is from which part of the brinjal plant? It is from the fruit. Brinjal, we are getting brinjal as a fruit from brinjal plant. And chili, how we are getting chili? Chili, we are getting chili also as a fruit from brinjal plant. Sorry, from chili plant. Now oil from groundnut. How we are getting oil? We are getting oil from groundnuts. How we are getting groundnuts? Groundnuts are seeds. What are those seeds? Mustard, soybean, or any other plant. Okay, any we are getting any oil from those seeds. Okay, brinjal is as fruit. It is fruit part. It is fruit part. It is seed part. Okay, give me an example. Give me an example in that we use leaves as food. Can you give me an example or any ingredient which is from leaves? I will give you examples. That is curry leaves. So many of us doesn't like curry leaves. We will take it off from curry and we will throw it away. No one will likes curry leaves. Curry leaves is from leaf part. Spinach is also from leaf part. All fruits and vegetables are from fruit part. Seeds, from seeds part we are getting groundnuts, mustard, all these are from seed parts. From root system, what we are getting? From roots, carrot, it is a root part. Beetroot, it is a root part. Okay, from stem, what we are getting from stem? Sugar cane. What is sugar cane? Sugar cane is from stem. Okay, we have covered all parts of the plant. So there are different parts of a plant having different parts, and different parts of a plant we are using as food, and different animal products. So now I will giving a definition, one word, that is edible. Edible means some parts have two or more edible parts. Edible means nothing but the eatable parts are called edible parts. Eatable parts, there are if there is a plant, it has so many parts. If any part is eatable, if any part is not dangerous to health, then we call that eatable part as edible. What it is? Edible. Okay, now here is then some activities you can do. Now I will tell you how to prepare sprouts, how to prepare mung or chana sprouts. These are chana and this is mung. Preparation of sprout is same for all. Preparation method is same for all seeds. It is for chana or for mung. First, what to do? Put a small quantity of seeds in a container filled with water. First, you have to take a container. You have to take a container filled with water and take some seeds in it and leave aside for 1 day. You have to leave it for 1 day. After that, what to do? Remove all the water, and after the next day, remove all the water and completely leave the seeds in a vessel. What you have to do? After completely removing the water, you have to leave aside. After that, wrap the seeds in a wet cloth, and remove and set aside for 1 day. The following day, what will you observe? The next day, what will you observe? You will observe that your seeds are sprouted. First, what is the first step? Take container with water for seeds. Next day, remove water and leave seeds. What is the next day? Wrap them in wet cloth. live one day, live one day. Finally, your seeds will get sprouted. Your seeds will get sprouted. Your seeds will get sprouted. If a small white structure may have grown out of the seeds, how you will know your seeds is sprouted? A small white structure like this, small white structure like this, it is the sign that you have your seeds had been sprouted. If your suppose after doing all these steps, if your seeds are not sprouted, what you have to do? If not, wash the seeds in water, drain the water and leave them aside for another day. If not sprouted, wash again wash, drain the water and leave aside by covering with wet cloth. You have to leave them aside by covering with wet cloth. After that your seeds get sprouted. Okay, in this way you will get your seeds sprouted. The next one is honey. This is the honey bees. This is honey. Have you listened about the honey? Have you ever tasted the honey? Honey is very tasty. How honey will be produced? Basically, honey bees. What are called? Honey bees. Honey bees collect nectar. What is the nectar? Nectar is the sweet juices. Basically, bees collect the nectar, sweet juices from flowers. Okay, bees collect the nectar from flowers and convert the nectar into honey and store it in their hives like this. Basically, bees collect the nectar, sweet juices from flowers and convert them into honey, and they will store those honey in the beehives. The image of beehives is like that. Okay, these the images of beehive. In this way we can get honey. Okay, this is the preparation of honey. And the fourth topic, we have completed 3 topics. The fourth topic, here textbook, there is a printing mistake in textbook. It is not 1.5, it is 1.4. The fourth topic is how animals are getting food. Fourth topic is how animals are getting food. How animals getting food. How animals eat food. Okay, what do animals eat? It is both having the same meaning. What do animals eat? What animals eat? Okay, if you have some pet animals like hens or a cat or dog in your home, then daily you have to feed those pet animals so that you may know what dog eats, what cat eats, what hen eats. But there are some animals, do you know about what their food? For example, what do squirrel eats? What do pigeon eats? What do lizard eats? Do you know? We may know, don't know, but here is an activity you have to do. This is the name of the animal and is the food animals eat. You have to complete this table. You have to ask your parents, or you have to ask take help from any other ones, and taking help you have to complete this table. What means here animal, buffalo, cat, rat, lion, tiger, spider, house, lizard, cow, human beings. We have to write what foods they are eat. What are their favorite foods? Don't write chicken biryani, ice cream, like that, because animals don't eat chicken biryani. They have some special foods. So write like that. Pastry, cool cake. Don't write like that. Okay, that is your activity. I want to tell one thing about that is there are word is called herbivores. What are herbivores? The animals which eat only herbivores. I will write here herbivores. What are herbivores? Animals which eat only plants are called herbivores. Animals which eat only plants are called herbivores. What are carnivores? animals which eat only animals which eat animals which eat only animals are called carnivores. Then what are omnivores? Animals which eat both plants, which eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Basically, man is an omnivore. Man is an omnivore. Why? Man eats plants and man eats animals. But there are some animals which only eat plants. Those animals are called herbivores. There are some animals they only eat animals, so they are called as carnivores. Okay, do you understand the difference between these two words? Okay, now here is the table: herbivores, carnivores, carnivores, omnivores. You have to fill this table. You have to fill the animals who are herbivores. Cow which eats only plants, so herbivore. Lion which eats only meat, so it is it is carnivores. Dog which eats both the plants and animals, so it is omnivore. Like that, you have to find out which animals are omnivores, which animals are carnivores, which animals are herbivores, and you have to fill up this table. This is your activity. Okay, now we have completed our chapter. Chapter completed. There are some few keywords. Ingredients: the food materials which used to prepare food are called ingredients. Edible, eatable parts are called edible parts. Nectar, sweet juices from flowers. Sprouted seeds, sprouted seeds are the seeds we are getting after making through the sprouted process. Herbivores which eat only plants. Carnivores which eat only animals. Omnivores which eat both plants and animals. There is the chapter summary. There is a lot of variation in food eaten in different regions of India. Okay, basically in the southern India we eat rice, but in the northern India they eat wheat. So different regions of India, different places of India, they eat different types of food. Okay, the main source of our food are plants and animals. The main sources of food and plants and animals. We are getting food from plants and animals. Animals which eat only plants are called herbivores. Animals which eat animals are called carnivores. Animals which eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Okay, now our chapter is completed. So we are going to have a summary, quick summary of whole chapter. Okay, quick summary of whole chapter. Okay, first, food, where does it comes from? How we are getting food? Means food, there are so many varieties of food, there are so many delicious different varieties of food. How we are getting those food material or those food, we are getting that food from different ingredients, which means we are using different types of ingredients. We are using different types of ingredients to prepare food. Okay, for preparing rice we are using two ingredients only, raw rice and water. For preparing biryani we are using so many ingredients. Finally, food is coming from different types of ingredients. Food is prepared using different types of ingredients. Then food ingredients and sources. Then how food ingredients are coming? Food ingredients are coming from what is the source of food ingredients? The source of food ingredients are from either plants or animals. Okay, either plants or animals. We are getting fruits and vegetables from plants. We are getting eggs, milk, meat from animals. So basically food ingredients are coming from plants and animals. Then plants and animals. That is the second topic. And third topic is how we are getting food from food ingredients from plants and animals. Basically in plants, all plants are not eatable parts. Some plants are eatable plants. Basically in plant we have so many parts. In a plant we are having roots, in a plant we are having leaves, in a plant we are having fruits, in a plant we are having stem. We are eating some parts of a plant only. We are eating some parts of a plant only. The plants the parts we are eating are called edible parts. Edible parts is nothing but eatable parts. Which parts we are eating are called edible parts. Okay, these are the different parts of a plant. Okay, example for root, carrot and beetroot are from roots. We are from it. Spinach, curry leaves are from leaves part. Sugarcane is from stem part. So plant parts, different types of plant parts we are using. And animal products, what are the animal products? We are getting milk from cow and buffalo. We are getting meat from meat from goat and sheep, and chicken from hens, like that. So we have find out how the process of preparing sprouted foods, sprouted seeds. And next we have known that how honey is coming, how honey is coming from the bees collect the nectar from the flowers and convert into honey and store it in the honey bees. We are getting honey in this way. Finally, what do animals eat? The animals which eat only plants are called herbivores. The animals which eat animals are called carnivores. The animals which eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. This is the table you have to fill. Finally, we have completed our chapter. We have completed our summary also. For more videos, for more interesting videos about your academics from 6th to 12th and all chapters, all subjects, please subscribe Sreenath channel. Give me a like if you like the session and share the video. Have a nice day. Keep learning. Bye bye.